Well, we're here for the launch of the Migration Museum in the new space in Lambeth at the workshop. It's the first opportunity we've had in the UK to have a dedicated migration museum telling the story of all of our different migration stories into and out of Britain. So it's a very special moment.
The two exhibitions that we have here, one in the other room is 100 images of migration, which is photographed. And this exhibition is about the Calais jungle, because we felt it was the most immediate. It was in the news, it was a very immediate story. And we wanted to tell the story of the Calais jungle from the point of view of the people who lived there.
I found the stuff on the Jungle bookstore particularly interesting. Didn't know so much about that, and the children's drawings as well, and obviously just the personal stories. Yeah, it works really well, and sort of takes you on a journey which a lot of these people have been on, and an emotional journey which is powerful and important to share with the world.
I am an immigrant, and I think people, and including me, you just get bogged down into the day-to-day that then you miss out so much on going through what people actually experience. I personally forget what I had to deal with when I first moved here, which was 10 years ago. It's not even that long ago, but this is a great reminder to say, for us to keep open-minded, to embrace immigrants, to just give people a chance, and yeah, open-minded in summary is, I think, good enough.
Off the central lobby in the House of Commons, on the way to where you stand in the Central Public Gallery, there is a plaque. And that plaque is from the 10,000 children who came on Kindertransport to this country from Germany, Austria and Czechoslovakia in 1938-39. And on the plaque it says, "Thank you to the people of Britain for having given us safety and shelter in difficult times." Now, I was one of them. So I owe my life to Nicky Winton, the man who organised the Kindertransport from Czechoslovakia.
I'm a refugee from Sierra Leone, West Africa, so sort of migrant. I'm a byproduct, so to speak, of the Blood Diamond Civil War. I think a hub like this, where people can come and find out about migrants, is fantastic, because there's so many preconceived ideas and conceptions. So I think it's a great place for people to come and have a look and find out more about people like myself, I guess. So yeah.
I think, at this time in our country's history, when there is this great argument about globalization, when there is this huge debate about our status in the world and where we're going, I think it is important to have a place when all the strands of the argument can come together. I like to think of it this way, a place where you can have some sort of quiet celebration, some honest reflection about actually what our country is, that it is a country made up of not just nations, but of different people, so we can all come together and celebrate that fact, celebrate the diversity of the individual.